To this video. In this video, I am going to discuss some questions of quadrilateral. In that joining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. X, Y are the points on the diagonal BD such that DX equals to BY. To prove that CXAY is a parallelogram. As you observe in figure, in triangle ADX and in triangle CBY, dx equals to by given. AD equals to BC, opposite side of parallelogram, angle 1 equals to angle 2, alternate interior angle. Therefore, triangle ADX congruent triangle CVY using rule SAS. So, AX equals to CY from simplicity equation 1. Similarly, we can write triangle ABY congruent triangle CDX. Therefore, AY equals to CX equation second. From equation 1 and 2, in quadrilateral CXAY, opposite sides are equal, so it is a parallelogram. Question number 2, show that the bisectors of the angles of a parallelogram enclose a rectangle. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, AP, VS, CR, DQ are the bisectors of angle A, B, C and D respectively. To prove that quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle. Proof: in parallelogram ABCD, angle A plus angle D 180 degree, the sum of adjacent angles. Angle A by 2 plus angle D by 2 equals to 90 degree. In triangle ADP, 3 plus 2, 90 degree. Therefore, angle 5 equals to 180 minus 90 equals to 90 degree. Angle 6 equals to angle 5, vertically opposite angle, 90 degree, equation 2. Similarly, we can write angle 7 equals to 90 degree, 8 equals to 90 degree and 9 equals to 90 degree. Now from equation 2 and 3 we can write in quadrilateral PQRS, angle P equals to Q equals to R equals to X equals to 90 degree. So quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Joining figure ABCD is a parallelogram in which X and Y are the midpoint of AB and DC respectively. If AY dx intersect at P while CX BY intersect at Q, so that PXQY is a parallelogram. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram, so AB parallel equals CD or AB by 2 parallel equals CD by 2. Now in quadrilateral AXCY, AX parallel equal CY from using equation 1. Therefore, quadrilateral AXCY is a parallelogram. So AY parallel CX, opposite side of parallelogram, equation 2. Similarly, in quadrilateral BXDY, BX parallel equal DY, so BXDY is a parallelogram. Therefore, DX parallel BY, equation 3. Now from equation 2 and 3, in quadrilateral BXQY, opposite sides are parallel, so quadrilateral PXQY is parallelogram. Next question, in the joining figure ABCD is a parallelogram and E is the midpoint of AD. A line through D drawn parallel to BE meets AB produced to F and BC at L. Prove that AF equals to 2 DC and DF equals to 2 DL. Proof: ABCD is a parallelogram, so AD parallel equal BC and AB parallel equal DC. Equation first. In triangle ADF, VE parallel DF and E is the midpoint of AD, so B is the midpoint of AF. Therefore, AF equals to 2 into AB and AF equals to 2 into CD because AB equals to CD. Now in triangle CDL and triangle FVL, angle 1 equals to angle 2 vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 equals to 4 alternate angles. CD equals to VF because CD equals to AB and AB equals to VF. Therefore, triangle CDL congruent triangle FVL using rule AAS. So DL equals to LF. Therefore, DF equals to 2 into DL. Proved. Thanks.